Wan gigero ni gibro yudo kony jotije e kar thieth ma Kenyatta University Teaching and Referral Hospital bago ng'anyo kaseo midhiero magikalo e kinde magitiyo. Bende giseo telo mar kar thieth no.
We demand the immediate disbandment of the current board with immediate effect. We demand the immediate disbandment of the current board with immediate effect. It has outlived its usefulness. A caretaker board should be put in place to facilitate the selection of a new board that can continue the hospital's growth and development. We urgently call on the Cabinet Secretary for Health to intervene and save this esteemed institution from a board that seems focused on self-enrichment at the expense of employees and patient care. Number 3, we equally demand, we demand the revocation of the board's chair directive to place the CEO, Mr. Dagane, on forced annual leave. The recent developments regarding the forced leave of the substantive CEO have severely impacted the hospital operation, leading to a decline in the staff morale, increased resignations, and a culture of victimization. It's important to note that Kutra workforce has no confidence in the appointed puppet CEO Isaac Kamau, due to his lack of integrity, accountability, qualification, and interference in the CEO's duties.